So this is how we keep our inventory organized. We have a lot of shelving units, and if you go further in, we have 2 shelving units on each side and another shelving unit. This one is a bookcase, and also we have pallets on top. So right now, this is how we keep things organized. Every shelf has a letter, and also every item has a number, and some items just go in a box. So let's say this item is 237 on shelf G. So all of those items, all of those action figures, there are various action figures, mostly from the same, Star Trek ones or just random ones. So if something sells, I'm gonna see in the custom label the letter G and the number 237. So when it sells, I know I need to go here and pick it up. So this saves us a bunch of time. We don't have to look for any orders. We just see the numbers, see the letters, the numbers, and we come and pick it up, and that's it. It's really fast, really organized everything. We know where everything is, and we never miss any order.